This Marx-Bensdorf Realtors property video is presented by David Tester. Easy living at its best. Private, serene, and low maintenance too. Located in popular gated Greenbrier. Entry gate on Messick between Kirby and Kirby Parkway. Large, open rooms. High, smooth ceilings. Beautiful moldings. Hardwoods, slate and brand new carpet. Top quality steel doors. Spacious entry opens to living room. Kitchen opens to large den west/fireplace. And a dining room too. Luxury primary suite down. 3 secondary bedrooms, 2 baths, and large bonus room up. Just move in and enjoy. For more information, review the details below or contact David Tester at 901-682-1868.